Check out this crazy legal battle of a family suing Uber for blocking their case with fine print. Can we uncover the truth behind this travesty of justice? A family is taking on tech giant Uber in a lawsuit that exposes the dark side of fine print. Uber's legal team is blocking their court case, and they're not going down without a fight. Nobody reads the fine print. But what if I told you that those tiny words could be the difference between justice and being hung out to dry? That's exactly what this family is claiming. Every time you click, "I agree," on a website or app, you're likely signing away your right to take that company to court. It's not just about this one family. It's about the millions of people who use Uber every day. If Uber can use fine print to block legal action, what's to stop other companies from doing the same? The family's situation is heartbreaking. They're fighting for justice, while Uber's legal team is using every trick in the book to shut him up. It's a classic case. The corporation has all the money and resources, while the family is getting bulldozed. A New Jersey couple was injured during a ride. They have been blocked from pursuing legal action. The ride-share company says a clause their underage daughter agreed to, while ordering pizza, stops them from suing. John and Georgia McGinty were critically injured in a 2022 crash when their Uber driver ran a red light. A New Jersey court ruled the McGintys could not take legal action because Georgia's phone accepted an arbitration agreement in 2022. The couple believes it was their daughter, then 12 years old at the time, who accepted the terms before ordering from Uber. Dozens of pages on a screen during a food order make it impossible that people can understand what rights they were waiving. Not to mention how drastic the consequences could be. A lower court ruled in favor of the McGintys, then a New Jersey court reversed the decision, saying the agreement that her or her minor daughter clicked on was valid and enforceable. The McGintys plan to appeal the court's decision, but their story is only the latest case of a company using arbitration agreements pushed out from their other platforms. Uber's terms of service contain a clause that forces users to waive their right to a trial by jury. Instead, all disputes are resolved through arbitration, a process that's often biased in favor of the company. The family's lawyers are claiming that Uber's fine print is unconscionable, a legal term that means the contract is so one-sided that it's no longer valid. The company is using its power to exploit its customers, and that fine print is a key part of this exploitation. So, the pivotal moment. For the family, it's the moment when they realized that they weren't alone. They started talking to other Uber users who had similar experiences. They realized they were all fighting the same fight. It gave them the courage to take on Uber's legal team. The family's courage is inspiring, but it's also a wake-up call. We need to start paying attention to fine print and holding companies accountable for their actions. We have power as consumers, and we need to use it to fight for our rights. The key takeaway from this case is simple. Always read the fine print before you click, "I agree." It's not just about protecting yourself from corporations. It's about standing up for your rights as a consumer.